Every week, a new coin claims to change everything. Most don't. Trace exists to tell the difference. One signal. 3 types of content. We pick a proof-of-work project and trace it from the algorithm up. The actual math. What you're hashing, how the block is built, who can mine it. 1 project per video, fully decoded. Every week, something moves in the proof-of-work space, or in the crypto world in general. Protocol upgrades. Mining difficulty shifts. Exchange listings. On-chain anomalies. We track what matters and skip the noise. Then we get hands-on tutorial videos to help you navigate this space. Node setup, miner config, GPU tuning, real hash rates, real power numbers, real yield. Just the command line. A community is coming. A Discord where we discover new gems together, projects to dig, analyze, and mine before anyone else. Configs, opportunities, early signals. Free to join. That is Trace. Proof of work, the crypto ecosystem decoded, from the hash function to the block. Subscribe. The next signal drops soon.